Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display discount percentage for variable product only using custom code in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a variable product and today we are going to show maximum and minimum discounted percentage with regular and sale price for variable product only. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title, then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So by using this code we are going to display regular price, sale price with maximum and minimum discounted percentage on WooCommerce archive pages and single page for variable product. And then in code you see percentage tax maximum, so you can add tax according to requirement. Now you see maximum and then you see percentage tax minimum, so you can add tax here. Now you see minimum save, so you can add tax in both location according to requirement. And then you see return price. Then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to shop page. So this is a variable product and this is our minimum price, this is our maximum price. Now refresh the page and now you see regular price with minimum and maximum, and then you see sale price with minimum and maximum, and then you see minimum save 20% on $10 and maximum save 25% on $20. Now you see, now open variable product. Also you see here same pattern. Now select black 10.8, now select green, maximum price 20, sale price $15. So maximum save 25% on this variation. If you want to remove this line, now back to code and then scroll down in code in return section. Now you see inserted text element INS, so remove this and then click on update. Now snippet updated done. Go to shop page and refresh the page. Now you see line remove. If you want you can decrease font size using custom CSS for this line. Now go to variable product and refresh the page. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.